Hello students and everyone, welcome back to class 5th maths on my YouTube channel. Now we'll begin problem set 49 on textbook page number 70. How much wire will be needed to make a rectangle 7 cm long and 4 cm wide? To find a wire will be needed of the rectangle 7 cm long and 4 cm wide is to find perimeter of a rectangle. Length of a rectangle is equal to 7 cm. Breadth of a rectangle is equal to 4 cm. You have to find perimeter of a rectangle. The formula of perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. That is equal to 2 into length is 7 plus 2 into breadth is 4. First you have to multiply the numbers and then you have to add. That is equal to 2 sevens are 14 plus 2 fours are 8. Now you have to add 14 plus 8. That is equal to 22 cm. Therefore, 22 cm wire will be needed to make a rectangle. If the length of a rectangle is 20 meter and its width is 12 meter, what is its perimeter? Length of a rectangle is equal to 20 meter. Breadth of a rectangle is equal to 12 meter. You have to find perimeter of a rectangle. The formula of perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. That is equal to 2 into length is 20 plus 2 into breadth is 12. First you have to multiply the numbers and then you have to add. That is equal to 2 20s are 40 plus 2 12s are 24. 40 plus 24, answer is 64. That is equal to 64 meter. Therefore, perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 64 meter. Each side of a square is 9 meter long. Find its perimeter. Side of a square is equal to 9 meter. You have to find perimeter of a square. The formula of perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. That is equal to 4 into 9. 4 9s are 36. That is equal to 36 meter. Therefore, perimeter of a square is equal to 36 meter. If we take 4 rounds around a field that is 160 meter long and 90 meter wide, what is the distance we walk in kilometers? Length of a rectangular field is given 160 meter. Breadth of a rectangular field is given 90 meter. You have to find perimeter of a rectangular field by using the formula of perimeter of a rectangle. And at last you have to find distance walked in 4 rounds. Length of a rectangular field is equal to 160 meter. Breadth of a rectangular field is equal to 90 meter. To find perimeter of a rectangular field, the formula of perimeter of a rectangular field is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. That is equal to 2 into length is 160 plus 2 into breadth is 90. First you have to multiply the numbers and then you have to add. That is equal to 2 into 160 is 320 plus 2 into 90 is 180. 320 plus 180. 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 8 is 10. 1 you have to carry up on 100 place. 0 you have to take down. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. That is equal to 500 meter. Perimeter of a rectangular field is the distance walked in one round. Distance walked in one round is equal to 500 meter. You have to find distance walked in 4 rounds by multiplying 500 into 4. 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0, 4 5s are 20. That is equal to 2000 meter. 2000 meter you have to convert into kilometer. That is equal to 2 kilometer. The formula is 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Therefore, distance walked in 4 rounds is 2 kilometer. Sanju completes 12 rounds around a square park every day. If one side of the park is 120 meter, find out in kilometers and meters the distance that Sanju covers daily. Side of the park is given 120 meter. You have to find perimeter of a square. The formula of perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. That is equal to 4 into 120. 4 zeros are 0, 4 12s are 48, that is equal to 480 meter. Perimeter of a square is the distance covered in one round. Distance covered in one round is equal to 480 meter. We have to find distance covered in 12 rounds by multiplying 480 into 12. 2 zeros are 0, 2 8s are 16, 1 carry up on 100 place, 6 write down, 2 4s are 8, plus 1 9. And you are multiplying next digit, take extra 0. 480 ones are 480. And then 60 plus 4800, now you have to add. 0 plus 0 is 0, 6 plus 0 is 6, 9 plus 8 is 17, 1 you have to carry up, 7 write down, 1 plus 4 is 5, that is 5760 meter. 5760 meters, you have to convert it into kilometers and meters, that is equal to 5 kilometer 760 meter. Therefore, Sanju covers 5 kilometer 760 meter daily. Remaining sums of problem set 49 will continue on next part. If you understood class 5th maths problem set 49 part 1 on textbook page number 70, give us the feedback or comments. Subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.